Learn this MATLAB. This college is asking us to follow up this virtual lab, but I don't want to go through that because again that is a waste of time. You could do nothing in that. Because this software is very useful for higher educations or even your final year products. Okay, you could do lot of thing in this, and it is very easily available, right? You can have the crack version of this. There's no issue on this. Okay. So we would do parallel connections. Let's do for the parallel connections. Okay. No, not now. Okay, this is your okay. Now this is your one network. Okay, of I've taken that as a T network, and this is your another network, right? This is network 1 and this is network 2. Now for connecting it in parallel, what you have to do is you have to connect this with this. Okay, it's better if I draw up and down. Okay, so what we have to do is we have to connect this with one point, this with one point, and this is in another, or it will be again a hectic one. Let's do in another way. Right, now it is okay. We have connected this one. This one is your one. This selected is your one two port network in that is your T network, and this is also your another two-port network, okay, of same value 11111 kilo ohms. Okay, now what other things we have to connect? Okay, we have to connect your volt source, not this one. Okay, this is your voltage source. Okay, let's give this amplitude, let it be at 100 only. Okay, this one is this. Now another is your voltage measurement, another is your current measurement, another is your display. So we'll have control V, control V. Okay, so while connecting this, what we have to do is this would go in this and it will be going into this point. Okay, this will be connected into this. Okay, as I'm taking in this manner because we have to have two ports, right? Four terminals, right? One would be from this part, another would be from this part, one from would be from this part, and another from this part. Okay, so let's connect this display. Fine. Now we have to connect. We have to measure the voltage. So we'll go in this order. And display is connected in over here. Okay, now this would be your current and voltmeters. Depending on what to calculate and how to calculate, we could proceed, right? As this is being connected in your series, just in last lab we have, okay, only 10 minutes are left. Okay, we'll hurry up in this manner. Okay, now in last lab what we have done, we have solved this. Okay, so to calculate y parameter, no, why this was on, calculate the y parameter, what we have to do, tell me. You all there or you have slept? Okay, Devopriya Ghosh, Brajesh, Lakshmi, Lovely, Sasikant, Ritu, Sweeti, Tanay Bhaskar. To solve y parameter, what we have to do? Anyone is?
We have to short circuit the port 2 first and then port 1.
Okay, what? Fine. So let's go as per your terminology. So what would be the equations? Okay, what would be the equations? Tell me the equations.
I1
I1
is equals to,
yes, I1 equals to, you are going right, y11
V1 plus y12 V2.
Okay, right. So in that case, what we have to do is first we have to short circuit this part and then short circuit the another port, means one by one port should be short circuited. See over here the port 2 has been short circuited, but what on short circuiting what we'll get is we'll get the voltage. Okay, the current would be 0 but voltage would be there, so we do not need another this part. So what we'll be doing, we'll connect across these two, right? Oh, sorry. We'll do short circuit or we'll do open circuit?
Short
Then
circuit, sir.
in short circuit, what value would be there? V or I?
I1 and I2.
I1 and I2. But in your question, or sorry, in your equation, it is your I1 equals to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, right? So in your extreme right hand side, there is your V1 and V2 value. That should be made 0, right? Is it? Are you getting any point? The points you're telling, right? Tell me the answer. At least you are giving the answer. Just justify yourself that you have told right. Okay, we have to sort the this element. Okay, it was sorted. This terminal should be sorted. Okay, so do I am doing the next process or what I am attaching over here? It is right or wrong? Just tell me that.
Right, sir.
How will it be right? You are telling short circuited, you have to do short circuit, and I am doing open circuit, because in open circuit only your volt should be there, right?
Short circuit.
What parameter would be there in short circuit? Is it right
Y1.
now? Just a minute. Now is it short circuited?
Yes, sir.
Because this ammeter, what it does, it is the only a measuring unit. Okay, it measures. Okay, now this it means that this amount of current follows, it is acting as a short circuit right now. Okay, and this is what amount of current, whenever we do short circuit, the current flows in that. Okay, there will be no voltage, means V2 would be 0. That's what I was asking. Whenever you're in from the equation, you could solve. In the equation, it is directly given I1 equals to Y11 V1 plus Y12 V2, right? So you have to do, means in both in right hand side, both the parameter is your V. There is no I, so there is no scene of open circuited in calculating Y parameter. At both the end, if we have to do short circuit. Okay, this is the reason. Okay, you have told right, you have told equation right, you have told the methodology right, only I was curious about the answer. Okay, so you have to give that particular answer. Okay, so just I am running it. Just read, have the reading of these values, and you have to solve and draw this circuit as well. Okay, just take the readings. Okay, this is your I1. This is your V1. This is your I2, right? Just take the reading, because while doing this, what parameter you should have? You should have your V1, I1 and I2, right? These two parameters would be there. this value is your 100 volt. This is your 1 kilo ohms. Let me see, it gives permission to write for all or not. 1k, 1k. Okay, so this is your circuit. All the resistance value is 1k, 100 volt, and these are the readings, right? Now the another, you have to find all the parameters, okay, y11, y12 for the entire circuit, right? You could easily, as it is a T network, or you could draw a pi network as well. Okay, 1 minute is left, let's do the another. So in next step, what you have to do is you have to short circuit the first terminal, right? So this will come at this. Okay, this is the values. Okay, this is 100, this is negative negative. Why? There is a reason, we have connected in a reverse order, that's why it is in negative negative. Okay, fine.